In today's video, we're going to dive into how to use Browse AI without needing any coding experience. If you've been wanting to automate your web scraping tasks or extract valuable data without getting tangled up in complex programming, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how this tool works and how you can use it to your advantage, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick around until the end because I've got an exclusive offer that'll let you try Browse AI for free. Browse AI is an incredibly powerful tool designed to help you automate web scraping, data extraction, and browsing tasks without needing any coding. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or just someone who needs to gather data from the web, Browse AI is built to simplify these processes. The best part? You don't need any technical knowledge to get started. When you first log into Browse AI, you'll be greeted by a very user-friendly dashboard. The interface is designed to be simple, so even someone with no coding experience can quickly understand how it works. To begin, you can create a new robot. That's what Browse AI calls the automated tasks you set up. Creating a robot is as simple as recording the actions you want it to perform, like clicking on specific links, extracting text, or capturing images from a website. The real magic of Browse AI comes from its point-and-click functionality. You just need to point to the elements on a website you want to scrape, and Browse AI will remember those actions. It's as easy as highlighting the text or image you want to extract, and the software will handle the technical work for you. This means you won't have to deal with code, APIs, or even complex workflows. It's all automated for you. Once you've set up your robot, you can start scraping data, and Browse AI will process it automatically. It runs in the cloud, so there's no need to worry about your computer's processing power. This makes it perfect for large-scale scraping tasks that you might need to repeat over time. Whether you're collecting product data, pricing information, or anything else, Browse AI will help you do it faster and more efficiently than if you were doing it manually. Another great feature is the ability to run robots on a schedule. You can set it to scrape data from websites periodically without you having to lift a finger. It's perfect for situations where you need to track changes on a website, like competitor pricing or market trends. Setting these schedules is straightforward and can be done with just a few clicks. One of the best things about Browse AI is that it integrates with other tools like Google Sheets. So once your data is extracted, you can automatically push it into a Google Sheet for further analysis or reporting. You're not left with raw data that's hard to manage. You can start working with it right away. If you have been looking for a solution that makes web scraping and data extraction easy, fast, and accessible, Browse AI is definitely the tool to check out. It takes all the complexity out of the process, so you can focus on using the data you collect instead of spending hours figuring out how to extract it. And here's the best part. You can try Browse AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. We've secured an exclusive extended free trial for you, so you can start using this software with zero risk and see how it works for yourself. If you're looking for an easy, no-coding way to automate your web scraping tasks, Browse AI is the solution you've been waiting for. Try it today and let me know in the comments how it's helping you streamline your data collection. Don't forget to hit that link below for your extended free trial.